How to temporarily deactivate WhatsApp. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, if you open WhatsApp and go to your account, you will find this kind of screen. In here, you'll find delete account. There's no one way to deactivate your WhatsApp account. You will need to delete your account. So instead of deleting, what you can do is go back from WhatsApp app. In your home screen, hold on to the WhatsApp app. Then click on App Info at the top. After you click on App Info, here, press on Notifications at the top. After you press on Notifications, you can turn off notifications of WhatsApp. After you do that, another thing what you can also do is hold on to the WhatsApp app and then press on Uninstall button at the top and uninstall the app. Then you can reinstall it when you want to activate. This is how to temporarily deactivate WhatsApp. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic?